17:10 कॉल येयलें फ्रॉम द हेडक्वॉर्टर्स. इमिडिएटली आमी गाडी टर्न आउट केली आनी इन्सिडंट स्पॉटार आमी पावले. पळयत जाल्यार हिंगा हेका तेंची पंचायत बिल्डिंगा ते पॅनल कितें जाल्ले तांकां तो उज पेटलेलो. सो तो आमी येयले आनी अंडर कंट्रोल हाडलें सिट्युएशन. चड मेजर कांय डॅमेज ना, फक्त तेंचे पॅनल कितें जाल्ले ते मातशें हें जालें, डॅमेज जाले.
कितले फायर टेंडर लागले?
आमची एक गाडी वेर्नासान येयल्ली आनी आमची मडगांवची येयल्ली.
कोचो फायर कितें कळ्ळें?
कोचो फायर एक्झॅक्टली अननोन. सो तो फुडें आमी सोडले फर्स्ट थँक्यू.
थँक्यू. पंचायत ओपन आशिल्ली काय बंद आशिल्ली? कशें उजो लागलो?
It was a short circuit which took place. There was some little work which was going on behind in one of our shades at the back there. So I think when that high voltage or something, probably some short circuit took place and there was a fire.
Loss? Any loss?
Estimated loss is much more only the electrical panels which and all are there. And I've been very grateful to the locals here. My panchayat is in Kobasa ward in Gorjebat. I had some locals like James, I would definitely mention his name. They did a lot of attempt to get a lot of water from with buckets, and by the time we could reach inside, they were trying to control the fire. But ultimately we had our fire services which came and controlled the situation. सामान
तांदूळ बिनू कितें तरी दिसता
local market चलता मरे. Passers by and all they go, they keep their things and they move on that side. So I wouldn't say that is anything of us. It is of the local passers by. They just come and they keep their things and they go. Thank you so much.
शॉर्ट सर्किट?
Yes, it was a short circuit.
ऊस पेटलो मरे. बारीक वास येवपाक लागलो असो भायर. आमच्या लांब कामाचेर कितें गाडी कितें ऊस पेटलो काय म्हणून मागीर बायपास येयलो, स्लो लागीं येयलो. आमगे कोण शेजऱ्या येयलो भायर, म्हाज्या पंचायतीक ऊस पेटलो म्हणलो. मागीर हांव भायर सावन येयलें, धांवन येयलें थंयल्या ऊस पेटत. मागीर इलेक्ट्रीक डिपार्टमेंटा एक राजगडी तो भुरगो हॉलिडे आहलो आसतलो, तो भायर पेश वयतालो. सो तेणें चोयलो आनी तेणें शट डावन केलें. ना डायरेक्ट उदक मारूं जायना. सो तेणें काडलें आनी शट डावन केले तरी मागीर आमकां एक चान्स मेळ्ळो की ऊस पालोवपाक.
की लायटीच्या बॉक्सांकूच लागलो
तो
तो?
लायटीचो डिपार्टमेंट मागीर थिंगा मेन हितूंक ऊस पेटलो. सो तेणें तो शट डावन केलो. सो मागीर आमकां बेगीन काम केलें. मागीर थोडे भुरगे येयले, 5 मेंबर बी येयले. मागीर तितून आमी स्टार्ट पालयलो.
नांव कितें केलें?
जेम्स प्लस.
थँक्यू.